Today we are at the manufacturing facility where the new mounts for the Bosch Panoramic camera series are created. The cool thing about these mounts is they're not a fixed mount, it's an adjustable tilt mount. Talk to us about what is unique and different about these mounts.
The platform around which this product line of mounts is centered is this mount, and as you can see it rotates 360 and it can tilt from straight down to about 80 degrees. So in most applications this is going to be a wall mount. On some angled ceiling applications you can see how it might be a 45-degree ceiling and you get your camera nice and level. On a ceiling you don't get quite to 90, you get to about 80 degrees, but most of the time people are needing to tilt the camera off axis. The nice thing about this mount is these serrated features here on the mount, and what that does is once the mount is oriented as needed, that really locks it into place once you tighten the screws. The same thing on the tilt side. We've got some serrations here, and that's going to clamp in here and really lock it into place. Here we've got a mount with an adapter plate made for the outdoor pano, and as you can see, let's say you've got an angled ceiling, you're able to give the camera extra rotation. Alright. To demonstrate its strength, let me lock it down here. There's an extra screw here that helps just give a little bit more friction onto this thread. And then the screw in the top locks down the rotation. So as you can see, it's pretty solid. There's no backlash, it's just locked right into place. Platform that can be used on different applications, the corner mount, pole mount. It does come with a kit of mounting straps, and that can be attached to a range of diameter poles from 4 to 8 inches. So this wall arm will be used in both those applications. If you want to use one of the Bosch Universal Mounting System pendant caps, so you can attach other cameras and get the same adjustability, this is an 1.5 MPT thread on the end of the same wall mount, so that gives it some versatility there. Here we have the 10-degree wedge for the indoor pano, and that lets you offset the angle of the camera just so you're not seeing quite as much sky, so you can see the ground underneath it. This is for indoor applications. This mount also works with the surface mount back box for the indoor pano. This is aluminum construction, welded and then powder coated with stainless steel fasteners. And lastly, we have the adjustable tilt mount. So the outdoor pano will attach directly to this. Now we have pre-assembled the conduit fitting onto the plate. So the dome would attach here and you'd run your conduit in here. Obviously you do want to have a 45-degree conduit fitting to attach here. The camera comes with optional 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch conduit fitting plates. Construction, these are die-cast aluminum mounts with powder coat paint for durability, and they do not rust. We have stainless steel fasteners. The adapter plates range between 090 and 125 aluminum also powder coated, so they're going to withstand the elements when installed outdoors. So everything is stainless steel construction for outdoor use, and as you can see, we have a variety of options for whatever the application